Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you 6 interesting photo editing features that many of you might not know about. The first one is the best and the last one is gold. So stay tuned till the end, and if you're watching me for the first time, this is Manoj, you are watching the MR Tech Arena. Let's get into the video. First one. I converted this picture into this in just a single click. So if you want to do that, just open Google Photos in your mobile. If you don't have one, download it from Play Store or App Store, and believe me, you will feel it worth downloading after watching this video. Just tap on the picture, go to edit and navigate to tools. There you can see an option called magic eraser. Just tap on it and wait for a few seconds, and now click on erase all. Boom. Now this is a one-man picture with my legendary friend Satya in the frame. Second one. This picture is good, but this picture is elegant and eye-catching. You can do this in just a single click. Let's take the old picture again. You can see the sky option just beside the magic eraser option. Just tap on it and keep changing the options. I think the amber looks good here. You can also increase or decrease the intensity and change the scenarios according to your taste. Third one. You can also create 3D images like this. To do that, just swipe up on your picture. Here you can see an option called create. Just tap on it and select cinematic photo and wait for a few seconds. Look into my eyes. Sarah. So, how is it? Fourth one. Let's say you have a very good picture like this but with annoying background behind. So, to convert this picture into portrait mode, just tap on the blur option in the same tools section and adjust the blur and depth levels according to your choice. The picture from here to here in just few clicks. Fifth one. We know that many of our mobiles do not come with HDR option in the camera settings, but still you can change your picture into HDR with the help of Google Photos to give that natural look to your picture. To do that, go to adjust section and tap on HDR effect. Now increase the level to see that natural look in your picture. Also, there are many other general editing options available here. Use them if you want to. Sixth one, the gold setting, that is locked folder or secret folder. Many of the mobile US come with secret folder option by default, but some of the stock Android mobiles like Motorola may not. So if you want to hide your personal photos or videos from others, just swipe up on the photo or the video that you want to hide and tap on move to locked folder. To access this locked folder, go to the collection section on the home page, scroll down till the end and tap on locked and give your fingerprint or password to open it. There you can see all the hidden photos or videos. Seventh one. You can consider this like a bonus tip. You can change the background completely to black and white by keeping the object in colors. So that's it. These are the 6+1 awesome photo editing features available on Google Photos. These options are also available on the older Android versions like 11 or 12, so everybody can use it. It's not like only the smartphone users with AI features. And there is one more thing. Based on the picture that you are editing, it provides you more or less options. So that's it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Thanks, namaste, signing off. We'll meet you in my next video.